Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like cooking?
Oh, well, yes, it happens with me occasionally when I'm alone in the home and my mom is not around. So I like cooking for myself. Like I can cook enough food for myself to finish off my cravings.
All right. Can you make a healthy breakfast for yourself?
Well, according to me, a healthy breakfast is having an omelette with two brown breads. So if that is healthy breakfast for everyone who's gonna eat breakfast, considering it healthy one, so I can cook that.
Good. Do you think homemade food is better than restaurant food?
Well, yes, because it is having more hygiene, and people do prefer home food in these days because in restaurants, circumstances and situations are very different. So, if I talk about myself, I do consider home food more hygienic and appropriate.
All right. Do you have breakfast at home every day?
Sometimes when I'm in hurry or I gotta go somewhere where I need to reach on time or before that time of arrival, I prefer eating from outside, but that place should be good and hygienic as well, the food.
Okay. Do you want to learn how to cook well?
Well, maybe in future because if I'll be going abroad for further studies for my master's, right? So I should know how to cook properly. Being alone, I won't have my mom around, so I think I should learn.
Good. Excellent. Keep it up like
Thank
this.
you.
Your answers are really good. Now, let's move on. It's your turn, please. Do you like geography as a subject? What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math, and
Okay, why do you like maths?
because I can understand easily math, and I got 74 marks in math subject. So and in FSC as well, I got 72. That's why I easily uh, understand math.
Okay, so that is why maths is my favorite subject.
Yes.
Do you think mathematics is difficult?
In some situation, for some students, maths difficult,
Maths
but
can be difficult.
yes, but for mostly for some students, maths not difficult.
Okay, you need to focus your sentence structure. Like for some students, maths can be really challenging. On the other hand, there are some students like me who really enjoy solving the sums of maths. So I think it depends. For some people, it can be difficult, and for others, it can be a good source of enjoyment. Something like this. Try to think in different direction and try to answer in a variety of ways. Let's go on. Would you like to learn more about mathematics?
Yes, that's why I want to get admission in a master in mathematics. So
Okay, this answer is short. At the moment, your answers are short. You need to add more, at least 5, 6 sentences, and then you have to focus grammatical structures of the basic 5 tenses, which I have mentioned already. Okay, will be fine. Thank you.